When you purchase new IC for Arduino, you can't program it until you burn bootloader into it. To burn bootloader, you require breadboard, jumper wire, Arduino Uno, capacitor, etc. Physically, it looks like this. Now compare yourself, which one looks more comfortable, this one or this one? It must be. So without wasting time, let's start it. Hello viewers, myself Adnan Sani, and you are watching my channel Electric Shock. Now look how to burn bootloader easily in one shot. This is Atmega328 IC. Just place it on the base, provide 5V power supply, then push the switch. Flushing should be like this. Okay, done. You can see burning bootloader just taken place at a glance. In this way, you can burn bootloader into Atmega328 IC also in a fraction of a second. Just like before one can even blink of an eye. To make this bootloader circuit, first you have to purchase this bootloader master IC. First you have to upload this bootloader program into bootloader master IC. For this you have to upload Arduino ICSP program into Arduino. Opening the Arduino ICSP program, and then Arduino Uno, select port Arduino COM3, compiling, uploading, and done. Using this case, take jumper wire, Arduino board, bootloader IC, breadboard, capacitor, and crystal capacitor 16 mHz. With all of this, make an arrangement like this. We have to do this just for one time to upload uploaded code into bootloader master, but you have to do this sophisticated process repeatedly to burn Atmega328 or 8 IC until you make this one. By the way, now Arduino Uno connect to the laptop. Now it's time to upload the program. Select port COM3, board Arduino Uno, programmer select Arduino as ISP, then click to upload. Okay, done. This is the sketch to make this board. So all these items required to burn bootloader, laptop also required, whereas this module requires only power supply. So hopefully this video brings you something. Please hit the like button, subscribe my channel,